I'm making my Yogurty Marinated Chicken Skewers, which are colorful and bright, and super juicy, and we'll get some great smoky char from the cast iron. To start, I'm assembling my skewers. I love skewers because you do all the hard work ahead of time, and all that's left to do before eating is throw them onto a grill pan. And food on sticks always has an edge over food that's not on the stick. I've got chicken breast and some colorful veggies. I've got a red onion, zucchini, and a pepper. And I've chopped the veggies on the chunkier side so that they cook at the same rate as the chicken. Okay, I'll wash up and make my marinade. I always have Greek yogurt on hand. And it lends a great tanginess to the chicken, but it's also not so acidic that you have to worry about over marinating the meat and getting it chewy. I'll squeeze in the juice of a lemon, drizzle in some olive oil, a little bit of honey to balance out that lemon, and also it'll help get some color onto the skewers. I'll season with 1 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of cumin, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne for heat. I'll chop up some garlic. This marinade is great because it'll serve double duty as the marinade and also as a finishing sauce. Just really tasty and bright and also creamy at the same time. What could be better? And lastly, some fresh parsley and mint. This is definitely a sunny chicken skewer. Okay, and I'll mix this up to combine. Okay, this is all mixed up and ready to go onto the skewers. First, I want to season the skewers with some salt to make sure they are thoroughly seasoned. I'll pour on most of my marinade, but I'll reserve about 1 cup of it to use later on after they've grilled. Okay, smush them around to get them evenly coated. 1 step closer to tastiness. I'll let these marinate for an hour in the fridge. Dinner's almost ready. I've got my Minnesota cold weather grill fired up. My chicken skewers have been bathing in yogurt and lemon and mint, and now they're ready to get a charred shell. They've come to room temperature, which is really important to promote even cooking throughout. We'll just get these on here. Ready for it. That sizzle is how I know I'm going to get those gorgeous char marks. These will cook for 10 to 12 minutes, rotating occasionally on medium-high until they're charred all over. And it's smelling like an outdoor grill party in here. I'll flip the chicken skewers. Oh yeah, that's good. 10 out of 10. Woo. Oh man, look at these char marks. Okay, so I'll rotate the chicken again. You know what's fun about grilling inside is you don't have to go outside. You don't have to worry about being cold. Now I'll plate up my chicken skewers. Check out the char on that. I'll pile these on. Oh yeah, I love the earthy colors of the zucchini and the onion. Dun, da, da, da. Those are some stunning skewers. It's time to eat.